tunampatia wewe wiki moja kukanusha yale maneno haya. Usipokanusha hiyo, tutaandika kwa Umoja wa Mataifa tunataka self determination. We are Kenyans by right. We cannot be discriminated against every day. We got a new constitution with the Bill of Rights, which must be respected by this government. You continue to violate the Bill of Rights in our constitution, discriminating against other Kenyans. And we are saying that this must stop forthwith. And we must begin the process of correcting all these imbalances so that we know how many ministers do you have and where do they come from. How many permanent do you have? Where do they come from? Parastatals, how many are they? And where do the leaders come from? Where? And so on. So that everything else in the community must feel completely accommodated in the government. Kwa hivyo sisi kama wanazimio hatutaki fujo. Tunataka amani. Tunataka amani. Sivyo? Sivyo? Kwa hivyo tumemwambia Bwana Ruto ya kwamba kabla tujafika kwa ile mambo yako ya budget, mambo yale yote yarekebishwe. Sivyo? Isipofanyike namna hiyo, unajua. Si unajua? Unaunga mkono. Azimio la Yata. The Yata Declaration. The people of Azimio assembled here in Yata declare, one, that the cost of living must be come down. Two, that the servers, the presidential elections must be opened for auditing. Sawa. Three, that the officials of Jubilee whose names have been presented to the Register General be registered forthwith and cease from interfering with the affairs of Jubilee Party and all other political parties affiliated to Azimio. Tatu, balance in appointment in all